Om Swastias to everybody. How are you? Hope you are well day. Welcome back on my channel. Today I'm gonna explore Banyuwana Waterfall, Yulan Danu Baraton, and Jatiluwih Rice. Entrance fee 40,000 per person. But I used a motorbike taxi from the car park because I had to walk 1 kilometer to the waterfall. The motorbike taxi price was 50,000 per pick-up and drop-off.
Okay, everybody, ready?
This is the first waterfall in this place. We will explore for waterfall. This waterfall is very clear and there are still few tourists. Very suitable for those of you who want a cool place that is not crowded. Take about 2 hours drive car from Ubud Hotel area to this place.
Oh, nice here. Really nice.
On the way back, we stop at Yulan Danu Baraton Temple.
Oh, they have the dance also. The funny dance. Yeah.
There are also religious ceremonies taking place. Bali, but the atmosphere is still very cool, and the view of the temple in the center is very beautiful.
After our experience yesterday. We can go there, yeah?
Next trip to the largest rice production center in Bali, Jatiluwih. Very beautiful view of mountain hills and rice fields.
This is our nice place. Yeah? Where do you want to make a picture, guys? Here?
Starting at 8:30 am and arriving at the Ubud Hotel at 5 p.m., we had lunch at Jatiluwih with a beautiful view of the rice fields. If you really want to enjoy the trip, take this trip in a relaxed manner and don't rush. Let's join us for your Bali trip. Your smile is our happiness. See you in Bali and have a great day.